In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and resolve video playback issues on Google Drive. Whether you're trying to play a video for work or leisure, encountering hiccups with playback can be frustrating. Let's walk through some simple steps to get your videos running smoothly again. First things first, start by opening your preferred web browser and head over to drive.google.com. It's always best to access your Drive directly to ensure you're viewing the latest updates and files. Once you're on Google Drive, it's essential to refresh the page. This might seem like a basic step, but it can be incredibly effective to clear out any temporary bugs or glitches. If you're using a Windows machine, simply press Ctrl, Shift, and the R keys simultaneously. For those on a Mac, hit Command, Shift, and R. This little trick forces Google Drive to reload afresh, making sure you're seeing the most current version of your files. Next, find the video you want to play. Right-click on the file and select Preview. Sometimes a simple preview attempt can resolve any lingering issues. If it doesn't work the first time, give it another go. If the video playback is still struggling, checking your internet speed is crucial. Often, slow loading and buffering can be traced back to an unstable or sluggish internet connection. Another effective solution is to switch your browser. If you're using Chrome and experiencing issues, try accessing Google Drive via Firefox or Edge instead. Sometimes specific videos just don't load as efficiently on particular browsers. If changing your browser doesn't do the trick, clearing your browser's cache might. For Chrome users, click the three dots in the top right corner of your browser. Navigate to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and select Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to check the box for cached images and files before hitting Clear. Browser extensions can also interfere with video playback, particularly those designed to block ads or help download videos. To manage your extensions in Chrome, again, click on the three dots, select Extensions, manage them, and turn off any that might be causing conflicts. Now, if the video is newly uploaded to Drive, it might just need a few minutes to process. It's quite normal for Google Drive to take anywhere from 2 to 10 minutes to make a video fully available for streaming, so a little patience can go a long way. If waiting doesn't help, try downloading the video directly to your computer. Simply right-click on the video and select Download. This workaround lets you play the video on your device, sidestepping any streaming issues. Finally, if the file is too large or perhaps corrupted, Google Drive might struggle to load it. In such cases, if possible, consider re-uploading the video to ensure it's in optimal condition. By following these steps, you should be able to tackle most common problems with video playback on Google Drive. Thanks for watching and happy viewing.